This is a sambar recipe. I have taken 1 cup of Toor Dal with 3 cups of water, added cumin, salt to taste, turmeric powder, some ghee, and whistle 3 times in the pressure cooker. This is how the texture looks like. I'm also steaming some veggies on the sides, which are these drumsticks, carrot, adding some more radish, and these are the white bottle gourd, that's the white pumpkin I call, some onion, and some more onion. And here I'm gonna add some more carrots and then tomatoes. You can add veggies according to your choice, like some people add eggplants, beans, potatoes, so it's totally on to you, like which vegetable you wanted to add, what taste you like. So I'm gonna steam this like for 5 minutes or so in my instant pot. You can also steam them in the regular pressure cooker. And on the other side, I'm preparing the tempering called tarika. So take a skillet, add ghee, mustard seed, jeera, hing, then this ginger garlic. You can also add dried red chili if you want a little hot. And on the other side, this is the tamarind paste. Like, I'm gonna add this in the tadka and cook it like for 5 minutes until the oil separated. You can also add jaggery. This is the spices I'm gonna add. This is like red chili, coriander powder, some garam masala, turmeric, and some sambar masala. Now add the cooked dal with some extra water on top of this. Like, this is the consistency. We have to thin it later on. These are the steamed veggies, which you can feel if these are soft and steamed well. And now I'm gonna add them in the cooked dal, and after that I'm gonna add some more water and cook all of this at a very low heat so that the taste is going to enhance at its best. So after cooking this for half an hour, add lots of ghee on top of it and cook it again for like 20 minutes, and ta-da, your sambar is ready.